Welcome back to another DIY miniature house kit. This time I'm going to be creating Lisa's Tailor Shop. This is from the same company as the miniature greenhouse. And unfortunately, looking through this kit, I found that the glue bottle here had opened and it is unusable, but thankfully I still have some left over from the previous kit. This time I'm going to start with the exterior so that we can put the miniatures in as we build those. And instead of plain white walls, I thought it'd be nice to use some craft paper for wallpaper. I also decided that instead of making this a tailor shop, I'm going to make it a miniature of my miniature office. Now, I don't think I'll be able to make a mini wizard tower, but I might be inclined to give it a try. We'll see how this project goes. I'll likely do a miniature of my desk, my hot wire cutter, my light, just things that I've used in a lot of my videos. Maybe some pink foam board in the back. This piece will just be a cute little reminder of this time in my life when I was into crafting miniatures. And obviously this is not going to be a replica of my office because I don't have wallpaper that looks like that. I surely don't have a curtain or a lamp that looks like that. And I definitely don't have hardwood, which I am doing now here with popsicle sticks. Just because I thought it would look a lot better than the paper wood floor that came with this kit. I'm using a distress oxide to color this wood. All I had to do was spray it on and let it dry. And this is where we leave part 1. I hope to see you all in part 2.